Imagine yourself studying in some of Europe's most esteemed universities, collaborating with international experts, and immersing yourself in diverse cultures. Picture the doors this opportunity could open for your future: a world-class education, global networks, and the chance to make a significant impact in the field of skin health and care. The Erasmus Mundus Master's Program offers not just an education but a transformative experience that can shape your career and life. And the best part? It's fully funded, alleviating financial burdens so you can focus entirely on your growth and aspirations. This is more than a scholarship. It's a gateway to realizing your dreams. Let's explore how you can seize this incredible opportunity. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know: program details, eligibility criteria, benefits, and a step-by-step application process. Plus, I'll share the official application link to get you started. Grab a pen and paper, and let's embark on this journey together. Hello, future scholars and innovators. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your trusted source for life-changing educational opportunities around the globe. I'm your name, and today, I have an urgent and exciting announcement for all aspiring master's students. If you've been dreaming of advancing your education in Europe with full financial support, this is the moment you've been waiting for. We're diving into the Erasmus Mundus Master's Scholarship, a prestigious and fully funded program funded by the European Union. But here's the catch: the application deadline is fast approaching on January 31st. So, time is of the essence. What is Emotion? The European Master of Science in Skin Health and Care, Emotion, is an Erasmus Mundus joint master program funded by the European Commission. It's a 2-year, English-taught program designed to educate the next generation of translational scientists in the skin health and care sector. Consortium universities: Universidad del Piemonte Oriental, Navarra, Italy; Universidad Miguel Hernández, Elche, Spain; University de Namur, Belgium. Upon completion, you'll receive a double degree from these prestigious institutions. Program highlights: comprehensive curriculum, covers the entire spectrum of R&D activities, from ideation to marketing. Industry collaboration, involvement of several industrial partners and guest lecturers who are experts in the field. Mobility path, experience diverse educational environments across Italy, Spain, and Belgium. Scholarship benefits. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of the Erasmus Plus scholarship under the Emotion program. Monthly stipend: up to €1,400 per month for a maximum of 24 months. Tuition coverage: full participation costs are covered, including health insurance, university registration, and student services. Mobility experience: while you'll need to cover travel and visa expenses from your stipend, the program's design allows you to study across multiple European countries, enriching your academic and cultural experience. Eligibility criteria: to be eligible for the Emotion program, you must meet the following criteria. 1. Educational background: hold a bachelor's degree or higher from a recognized academic institution equivalent to a European undergraduate degree of 180 ECTS in a field related to the program. A background in both biology and chemistry is required. For a list of accepted degrees, refer to the degree list. 2. Language proficiency. Proficiency in English is essential, as the program is taught entirely in English. Step-by-step application process. With the deadline approaching, it's crucial to act swiftly. Here's a step-by-step guide to the application process. 1. Prepare your documents: academic transcripts, official records from your previous education, proof of degree completion, documentation confirming you've completed your bachelor's degree. English proficiency: curriculum vitae, CV and updated CV highlighting your academic and professional experiences. Motivation letter: a compelling letter detailing your interest in the program and your career aspirations. Letters of recommendation: at least 2 letters from academic or professional references. 2. Online application: visit the Emotion application portal. Complete the online application form, ensuring all information is accurate. Upload the required documents in the specified formats. 3. Submission. Review your application thoroughly. Submit the application before the deadline on January 31st. After submission, the selection committee will review applications, and shortlisted candidates will be contacted for further steps. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the urgency and significance of this opportunity. The Emotion Erasmus Mundus Master's Scholarship is not just a chance to further your education. It's a pathway to becoming a leader in the field of skin health and care, with the support of some of Europe's finest institutions. The deadline is January 31st, which is just around the corner. Don't let this chance slip away. Take action now, prepare your documents, complete your application, and take the first step toward a transformative educational journey. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more opportunities like this. Remember, your dreams are within reach. Seize this moment and let your journey to excellence begin. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your application process. Until next time.